So today is restock day. The time is right now 9:22 Friday. So I gotta get ready to do my marketing real quick. I was supposed to do it last night, but I got tired from making soaps last night. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to set up my email and then set up my text. My text is going on for sure. But yes, you guys, I am so excited. I've been prepping with my soaps because I know that's what's gonna sell a lot is my soaps, because you know that's my #1 seller is my soap. So it's gonna be a successful restock today. I'm gonna record when I first launch and stuff like that to show you guys and stuff, but it won't be like all day. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm always nervous every time I have a restock because like you never know what can happen, you know. I just pray, hope for the better, that I got like a successful restock. So yeah, I'm about to eat because I'm hungry as hell, and then I'll get back to you guys as soon as it get close to me launching my website. Okay, so I went ahead and scheduled my SMS text, which should be here. There it goes, right here. So this is my SMS text right here. Oh, it's right here. I'm sorry. This is my SMS text right here that I just scheduled for 10 a.m. to be scheduled to go out for my customers. So yeah, and I was supposed to use this, but it was charging too much. So yes, you guys, I'll update you guys. I'm gonna go get my tripod so I could update you guys. There's people already getting on the website waiting for me. Okay, so I just got the website prepped with everything. The time now here is 9:56 if it zooms in and focus. I guess not. But anyway, so right now it's 9:57. I just sent out, I didn't send it out yet, but it's gonna send an SMS text because today is 9:24, so I have it scheduled at 10 a.m. for that. But yes, you guys, I am so nervous. I believe my SMS should be going out like right about now, I believe. Let me see. I love this SMS text. It's like really good with my campaign. So it's scheduled. I don't know if it went out yet. It says EDT. Okay, so hopefully it do. So scared, you guys. So scared, so scared, so scared. Let me put up on my But the website is back open. Let's zoom in on my lovely customers. Oh God, I'm so scared. Why is okay, it's 2 people checking out. Okay, it just started at 10:01. I don't know why it's starting so late, but I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So yes, you guys, let's see what we got going on. This boy's so funny, dog. Y'all. So you guys, look at the numbers. Look at everything going right now. What if nobody? Okay. So y'all see, I don't know why is it not focusing. It's so weird. But anyways, I got myself subscribed to my SMS. I don't know how my stuff doing that. Okay, I got myself even subscribed to my SMS to make sure it was legit. But you know, the numbers are going up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yes, the numbers are going up. I don't know if it's gonna show you guys, but yes, I just stocked up on my website. So scared, you guys. So scared. So scared. Guys, good morning. It is 9:27 and it's Tuesday the 28th. But anyways, I wanted to update you guys on my restock. My restock was successful and I'm super duper blessed and thankful for this restock. My boxes came in yesterday and I'm so happy because, like, look at it. I'm trying to make sure I look at the camera to make sure it's right. And these are my old boxes. This is not the box of the yonis, but this is my turmerics. But you see how the boxes are, like, look, you see it? So basically with this box, I got them too big. Like, I got them like way too long. Like, look at how long and wide and thick, and I got it too thick. It was like kind of too thick. You can't really tell the difference, but I'm glad I got my dimension right. I had my boyfriend help me, thank God for him, because I suck at getting stuff like this correct. But like, look at this. It's so pretty. It has the directions, it has a disclaimer, and it has the ingredients. One thing about me, I always make sure that I invest in my business. When I have the money, I will, and that's what I did exactly. So I ordered 1,000 boxes, and I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And yeah, I just feel like I want my brand to pop out more, so that's what I did. I invested in my business and just make sure everything was good. These are my boxes right here that I ordered. I ordered 1,000 boxes right here, and I love this seller because he responds very good. I get my boxes off of Alibaba, Baba, however you spell it. So yes, this is another soap. It has soaps in it, but these are my boxes right here. I believe it's 1,000, which that is what I ordered. So yes, you guys, these are all of it right here. So these are my my yoni oils that I finished. These are my yoni oils that I do sell, even though it's not focusing. So those are my yoni oils. And these that I sell, my mango papaya, which are sold out because I didn't get the shipping correct with I'm sorry, I didn't get enough avocado oil. So this is it right here. It's so amazing, love it. And I had to keep using paper towels because I spilled body oil everywhere. But yeah, this is it right here. I can't wait for my customers to receive their products. I'm working.